Hello everyone. Today we'll have a good time. I would like to show for you how to search location. Uh, I have read it and listened a couple advices when you're trying to buy site. You need to go summertime, winter time. No, in real time situation, it's no time for summer or winter. Just what you need to know a couple of tricks how to research area. Number one, if it's island, you need to have a look about flooding area. You need to look who living around. You need to look for place if any excavation work going around or any factory around, where is shops or is school. All this you need to do research before you making final decision, and it's not hard to do this. Um, 1 year ago, I found it really nice. Always use it Google Maps. Now after that, I found it with Google Earth, and Google Earth have more advanced technology, where we can view from the sky area, where we can measure its height, where we can have a look distance, where is nearest school and all this. And I will share with you today how to do this. It's mean number one, what we need to do, we need to just pick some area. I will try to use DAF.ie, which I already have opened. Just I'll try my best to make screen smaller. Yeah, this is all. It's in developing stage, we can say, and after that opening DAF.ie. This is my DAF.ie, and we can see different sites for sale. What I have done, in search, I just pick at Galway County. We can use always radius around that area where you would like, just 1 kilometer, 3 kilometers, always good, like 1 kilometer. Site price, what normally with plan permission close to Galway you can pay from 50 till 200,000. In countryside 40 miles from Galway you can get for 25. Just 20 30 miles you can get for 75. And as well, this is my search, and I look at you one house or one area which will be interested for all of us to have a look. It's different areas here, different lands, and here I just look at this actually this Tree Hill, Ballygar, Galway. What first catch at my eye, it's like bungalow type of house, and it's nice size of land. It's 0.7 acre. We can open this. Yeah, we can see this is design of house, which is a little bit unusual, little bit different. It's nice, and we have two bay windows. We have nice entrance, and we have we can say the same size big window. It's mean will be house quite early, lots of air, lots of light, and you have Velux window, can be dormer. It's your choice. No, this is house have full planning permission. Yeah, prime building on 03 hectare, 30 hours of land with full plan permission. Site has full planning permission for bungalow 186 square meters. It's good size of house. And as well, if you when you buying or building house, you always need to think not how when you're young now and you can move, easily. You need to think when you will be retired and maybe you have some issues with working for you or something. It's mean bungalow always perfect house for long time living place. And my attitude, just buy property or build property which will be for rest of your life, because you can focus on that site. You can develop with your flowers, trees, garden, wherever you like it. You can do on your site for the season. This is looks like, in my taste, it looks really nice. Yeah, we can see here map, and by this is Google Map, and we can go to satellite view. Yeah, and now we opening satellite view. Slowly it's loading. Yeah, what we can see now, this is location of site. We can rise up, and we can see it's like bug areas for collecting turf, harvesting turf. And here is let's we have a look what extra we can have a look here. Can go down. It seems river passing not too far. It means if you like it, like water, and you like and sea and water passing not far from your house, this is nice area. And as well, what we can use this tool going down and actually picking place where we want to view this place. We can stand here where it's close to the bridge, and we can have a look how it looks. Yeah, see, it's nice river, and photo was taken like spring or summertime, and it's lot of water. Yeah, it's by trees looks like late spring. Yeah, and it's nice bridge, and yeah, we have neighbors. It's sunny area. Yeah, it looks really nice, and some old buildings around. It's many people living here. It's nothing. No, you can say, and you can feel this road going a little bit to the hill. It's before you deciding to buy, definitely you need to go and have a look with your eyes to that site. This is site which is somewhere here. So we have a look. We have nice view with trees. Yeah, why not? And by level of water, you can see that it's a little bit buggy here, and because this plants, I don't know name of this plants, not always showing that high water. It's mean ground, it will be soil will be not deep, maybe 20 centimeters deep, and after that we have lots of stones. It means it's good to build solid house. It will be no problems with cracking walls or something. No, you need just think about have some drainage to drain water around your site. Yeah, looks nice. I'm really pleased of this. And let's back to the video, and I'll be back with covering all my screen. Yeah, some job done. Just I wanted to share with actually observe place first location, and as well if you saw it, it was some roads and some where people living, and you can have a look where it's shops actually. Discover that place before you're making decision. Now this tool will help you, and we have a look for in our tool, we can say. This will be, I will try to open. We have open it Google. First I need just decrease size of myself. Yeah, going here down and getting to, yeah, we have Google, and I will show you one tool which I started to use. Google Earth Maps. Press on this and explore Google Earth. You can't don't wall this up, and you always have this. It's really good fun. You will see. Just loading. What is nice with this tool that actually you can measure building size, you can measure site size. Let's we pick some area. We can say 2. 2. 2. Yes, we're going. Let's bring us to 2. See, it's nice. It's turning around. What you need to do, actually press once and scroll down. We're scrolling. It's okay. Let's we have a look to some properties here. Okay. We can say, imagine, we can say that this house here for sale. And interesting that we can measure it from the skies, how much square meters around this building. Let's we go to this measuring device. Yeah, first we're getting to 3D option, and we can scroll down, get the building closer when we can. Yes, yes, yes. Now getting in the middle, and now we can measure it. Press on this tool. Yeah, select corner of the roof and go to second corner. We see 10 meters. This, finish, shape, and this building area is 51 square meter. You can change to wherever you want it. And as well, what is nice, you can do with the same with land. Yeah, start new, and we can say we want to know how much on the front this garden size. Yeah, we're picking first corner, boom, going to the wall here, going to the wall here, going to the wall here, and going to the wall. It's around 53 square meters area of this land, which you can make nice flowery garden, and depends of your imagination, design, and your needs, what you want to do. This is my sharing for today, and I'm really pleased and happy to share this information, and I hope so all of you enjoy it, and I hope so that all this will help you in future to search for good sites, and I will see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.